Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we are going to start our maths lesson of class 3 and the topic is geometry. Dear student, now open your countdown book page number 182. Here is the unit number 7, geometry. First of all, you have to learn the previous concept about geometrical shapes. In your previous class, you have learned 2D shapes and 3D shapes. 2D shapes include basic 4 shapes like square, circle, rectangle and triangle. These are basically 4 basic shapes and these are called 2D shapes. And in your previous class, you also learnt about the 3D shapes. In 3D shape, you have to learn that about cube. Okay, you have learned cuboid. This is the shape of cuboid. Okay, and cone shape. This is the shape of a cone. Is it clear? At your homes, you also have these shapes in your surroundings. And this is the shape of sphere or circle. Is it clear? These are 3D shapes. Now in this chapter, you have to learn about point, line segment and ray. First of all, you have to learn about point. A point in geometry refers to a location. It is shown as a dot. It has no length, no width and no depth. A point is always denoted by a capital letter. In the given figure, if you see on your book page number 183, here is a figure of rectangle shape. Okay, here is the points A, B, C and D. These are called points. Now move forward the line. A line is a set of points joining a straight path on both sides. A line has no endpoints. For example, here is an example of a line. Okay, a line is a set of points. If you see on your book page number 183, there is, first of all, there are 2 points. Then with the help of a scale, we have to join these 2 points on the both sides. Then we have a line A and B. Okay, the line has no end point. Now come forward the next point, and the next point is line segment. In previous class, we learned that a line consists of a set of points. A line can go on and on forever on both sides. Now here is an example. Adil has drawn 2 points on his notebook. He has given them names A and B. Adil joins A and B together using this ruler. Okay. He has made a line which does not go on for ever and ever. His line joins 2 points A and B. We call this a line segment. A line segment is a line which joins 2 points together. It has a beginning and an end. Therefore, we say a line segment has 2 endpoints. In the given figure, MN and KL are line segments. Is it clear? Now move forward the next topic, ray. A ray is similar to a line segment but with one endpoint that extends infinitely in one direction. What is a ray? It is similar to a line segment. But what is the difference between ray and a line segment? That in ray, we have to extend the one point infinitely in one direction. For example, ray AB and ray DC. Okay. Drawing line segment using a ruler. Student, this is an example given on your page number 184. You have to draw a line segment of 4 cm long with the help of a ruler. Okay. With a pencil, first of all, you have to mark the first point as A at the beginning of the marking on this ruler. Then next mark the second point as B above the 4 centimeter mark on the ruler, and then draw a line along the edge of the ruler to the point B just where 4 is written. So length of the line segment AB equal to 4 centimeter. Student, I hope you have to understand the concept about point, line segment, ray. Is it clear? Okay, here is an activity on your book page number 185. You have to do this activity of your own. Student, this is your task for today's lecture. After giving the concept, I have given to you a task. Okay, you have to complete this page 185 at your homes by your own. Okay, Jazakillah and Allah Hafiz, Fi Amanillah.